In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on MT5. Let's dive right in with a step-by-step walkthrough to help you get started with trading on the MetaTrader 5 platform. First, we're going to prepare your chart, which is a crucial initial step. Begin by opening MarketWatch. You can do this simply by pressing the keys Ctrl and M at the same time. Up pops the MarketWatch window, which displays a list of all the trading instruments available to you. Now right-click within this window and select Show All. This action will reveal the complete list of symbols that you can trade. Once you've done this, find a symbol you're interested in trading. Let's say EUR/USD, which is a popular pair. Right-click on this symbol and choose Chart Window. This opens up the chart that you'll be using to monitor price changes and make trading decisions. At this point, you're all set to trade. Now that you've got your chart ready, let's move on to opening a trade, whether to buy or to sell. There are two methods you can use here, and I'll guide you through each one. Method A involves using the order window. To bring up this window, press the F9 key. Once it appears, you'll need to set a few crucial parameters. First, select the symbol you wish to trade. Following that, set the volume of your trade. This could be 0.01 or any other volume you are comfortable with. Don't forget to set your stop loss, or SL, which is important for managing risk, and your take profit, or TP, which helps to automate closing the trade when a favorable price is reached. Once all these parameters are set, you have two options. Click on Buy if you anticipate the price going up, or click on Sell if you're expecting a drop in the price. For those who prefer a faster method, there's Method B, one-click trading. This is the way to go if you want to make quick trades with minimal steps. To enable one-click trading, start by right-clicking directly on your chart. In the menu that appears, select the option to enable one-click trading. With this feature activated, you'll see Buy and Sell buttons directly on the chart, making it easier to enter and exit the market rapidly without additional windows popping up. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to trading on MT5, covering everything from preparing your chart to executing trades with ease. Remember, practice and experience are invaluable to develop confidence in trading, so take your time to familiarize yourself with the platform. Happy trading!